Hello, designers! In today's video, we're going to create a dynamic audio spectrum in After Effects. Let's dive right in. First, let's start by creating a new composition. Then, we'll import the audio file we want to use. Just drag and drop it onto the timeline. Now, let's create a new solid. I'm going to set mine to black, but feel free to choose any color you like. Next, we'll go to Effects and Presets. If you don't see this panel, open it through Window Effects and Presets. In the search bar, type Audio Spectrum and drag it onto the solid layer. At first, you won't see anything happening. To activate the audio spectrum, go to the Audio Layer option and change it from Black Solid 1 to the audio layer you just imported. Now, if you press play, you'll see the spectrum reacting to the audio. You can customize the spectrum by adjusting a few settings. Increase the height or thickness to change its size, and set softness to 0 for sharper edges. You can also customize the inside and outside color to whatever fits your style. I'll keep it at the default colors for now. Now, here's a fun tip: you can make the spectrum follow a custom shape. Select the Black Solid 1 layer, use the pen tool or any shape tool, and create a shape on the layer. Once you have your shape, go to the Path option in the audio spectrum settings and switch it from None to Mask 1. Just like that, the audio spectrum will conform to the shape you drew. You can experiment with different shapes. Create a star. Adjust its position, then change the path to Mask 1. Now, your audio spectrum will appear within the star shape. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please like, comment, and subscribe to Ace Designs for more creative content.